how to add Bluetooth to Toyota Corolla.
We have a 2011 Corolla, and I'm going to show Tony how to add Bluetooth to this factory radio without a new radio or any sort of modification. So Tony just bought the Gizmo Guy gadget, so I'm going to walk him through how to install my gadget onto his car. So take out from the package, please, and connect the USB part of it to the car charger. Entangle the wire. Now plug it into the cigarette lighter. Plug the Gizmo Guy gadget into the cigarette lighter. And once you plug it in, you'll notice that the LCD actually comes on, which means that now the Gizmo Guy gadget has been powered. Now all you have to do is set it to 87.9. So set it to 87.9 by pressing the button to 87.9. You'll be able, right, there you go. Okay, when you long press it, the dial will flash, which tells you that it's adjustable. And once you set to the dial that you want, just press the button for 3 more seconds and you'll set. Okay, now turn on the car. Set the car radio to 87.9 as well, which matches up to the Gizmo Guy gadget. So now we have the radio dial set to 87.9 as well as the Gizmo Guy gadget set to 87.9. So now the two are paired. As you can hear that there's no more static, no more hissing sound. Now all you have to do is pair the phone to the Bluetooth to the Gizmo Guy gadget. So turn on your phone, please, and go to the setting and go to Bluetooth. And go to add device, and you'll notice that there's actually a thing that says HY62. That will be the setting that you'll be using, so select that.
Bluetooth connection success.
Now you'll hear that this the announcement for Bluetooth is successful. Bluetooth connection is successful. That means that now you're ready to enjoy anything from your smartphone right through your older car radio. You basically just add a Bluetooth capability to this older car radio. Now you can go to your phone and go to the podcast that you want to listen to, or any music, YouTube, anything you want to listen to.
Very cool.
And then you'll be able to listen to all your music, podcasts, radio, even YouTube music right through your factory radio. Now you basically just add Bluetooth capability to your car.
Very cool.
So this is how easy it is to add Bluetooth capability to your older car radio by using the Gizmo Guy gadget.
This is Wesley. Thank you for watching my how to add Bluetooth to Toyota Corolla video. Over the last 30 years, I have installed, repaired, and messed with thousands of car stereo. So when it comes to car stereo, I know what I'm talking about. Try my gadget out. I guarantee you that this will be the best gadget that you get this year. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye.